now we'll just move forward with our next product. So ladies and gentlemen, next I would like to invite Dr. Chella and Mr. Lazarus, CEO, for launch of Viren product. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome them with a huge round of applause. And I request other director member to come forward and join them, please. Huge round of applause, everyone. Welcome, sir. So here is our next product. All right, so once again, I request you to launch this with a countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here is the next product, which is Viren product. So everyone, please do put your hands together and launch them with a huge round of applause. Okay, so this is time being required product. So everyone were really waiting so long for this. So here comes your product. So आप सब लोगों ने बहुत ही दिनों से इंतजार किया होगा. So ये हमारा मेन प्रोडक्ट था इसका, बाकी दो भी थे, लेकिन इसके लिए आप सब ने बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंतजार किया है. तो ये प्रोडक्ट हमारा यहाँ पे है. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So thank you, Sam, for the wonderful intro, as well as for regarding the COVID-19 Warrior Award. And happy, but I dedicate this award to all of you Vivitosian, all of our Vivitos family members who had taken the say challenge against COVID-19 and by educating the masses and saving people in large. And I'm sure we have already saved more than about say millions and some millions of people. The education is what very important, rather than the government restricting us. It's education, proper education, family wise, person wise, that saves the life. And that's what we have done through every Vivitos family members across the globe, not only in India, across the globe. We very well in advance, say starting in January, I have clearly communicated during the individual presentations and during plenty of talks and during my orations regarding the COVID updates, and almost every presentation we have shared the knowledge, what exactly is happening in the Western countries, and make sure the lives are saved. Each life saved is what billions. And we know, being a doctor, I know the value of each and every life. And that's what I have tried to educate through the Vivitos family members. And hats off to you all Vivitos family members. And you have reciprocated nicely. And here, the long-awaited product, the major issues that there was being this COVID-19 being a very new disease for the humankind, and it has suddenly hit the world, and there was no much of medical literature. Of course, 20-30 years back we have read about coronaviruses, but those strains were not much of this much dangerous, or it was there, but it was in a very submissive manner. And when the COVID-19 erupted during last September, it's almost now, it's going to be 1 year since it has come into the world stage, and it has created a havoc in whole world. Almost every human race has had the phase of it, faced it. As of now, more than about 1.9 crore people across the globe have been affected by the COVID-19. So what is there, how to face it? What is there for us to guard? And only major thing is that it's education. A proper education is the mandatory, and following it across, throughout our life is what is need of the hour. And we have been trying to educate it. We have been trying to direct people to make sure their lives are saved, their family members' lives are saved, and the Vivitos family members, they make sure they spread the message of these safety precautions. In spite government has been educating, and plenty of people are educating through medias and social medias and paper print medias also. But one-to-one interaction, one-to-one to all the Vivitos family members, it's what that's make this special, make them aware how to safeguard ourselves. And while during this learning curve, during about 7-8 months, we have the medical team in Vivitos, we learned a lot. And each and every stage I have updated regarding the current scenario of COVID-19 during about past 4-5 months. And each and every stage, there has been a proper update from the medical fraternity across the globe. And this has made us learn deeper into the basics of the viral infection, new virus infection, how to challenge it, how to tackle it, even without the help of the vaccines, which are ought to come. Say vaccines for the COVID-19, it's going to take about maybe in another about year time, it will be there. Plenty of companies, plenty of institutions are trying to develop the viral vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine, but it's not going to happen in a day or two. It's going to take a very long time after the complete clinical trials. What else is the situation? So we have faced plenty of infections in our current generation. Say a small example I will let you know. Regarding the chicken pox, it's a proper viral infection. It's a herpes infection, it's a proper viral infection. The HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, it is also a proper viral infection. So we know the tendency of the viral infection, but still the virulence, the how it spreads, it's all different from virus to virus. And influenza virus is something closer to this COVID-19 by the mode of spread. Say it basically COVID-19 spreads. We all know the history. I have shared plenty of time regarding this, and just I want to crisply give you the bird's eye view of how it's going to, how it is spreading, and how it is causing damage to our system, and how it is causing mortality in the human beings, not for any other living organisms in the world, only for human beings. And this is something peculiar. This is something unique regarding COVID-19. And I have already shared you, but still I'll tell you, something like an influenza virus, it spreads via the droplet infection, and through the nasal mucosa or through any openings in our system. It can be through our eyes, through the nasal opening, or through the mouth, or the anal opening, or the urethral, any mucosal opening, mucosal surface, it can get into our system. And we need to, that's the reason government as well as we have been trying to educate you all how to safeguard ourselves, washing hands properly, getting sanitized our hands, or the whenever we are getting in contact with any of the surfaces, we need to sanitize ourselves properly with sanitizer frequently, wash our hands frequently, so that the virus does not enter our system through the mucosal, any of the mucosal cavity. So the core important point here is that the education, and second is the preventive measures. Regarding viral infection, prevention is better than cure. And now in past about 6-7 months, we have seen big names in the whole world being affected by the viral infection, and many of them have come out of it. They have got proper immunity. They develop their immunity, self-immunity, and come out of it. There are plenty of people who had lost their battles also. We have seen children getting affected, and we have seen older 100+ year human beings. They struggle and tide over the infection, and they come out successfully also. It's all because the immune level they have developed, and as well as because of the viral load they have initially got into their system. So that's the reason we always ask every one of us to wear mask whenever we are in a crowded place, if at all we are in a crowded place. And the face mask helps in preventing the spread through the droplet infection. And somebody who is sneezing in a cabin, somebody who's going to cough in a say bus or a train or a flight, it's a closed chamber. once we sneeze, there are about millions and millions of virus droplets comes out of the sneezing from our mouth or through the nose. And this during the viremial phase, and this just gets into the nearby person's nasal cavity when we inhale, or when we inhale through mouth or the nose, or whenever we come in contact with any of the surfaces which a person who was infected with the virus touches the glasses or any of the objects. When we touch it, or when we touch the handles, door handles or lift switches, buttons, whatever it may be, it easily gets into our hands, the contact surfaces, and when we try to squeeze our eyes, or when we put our hands in the nasal cavity or in the mouth, it easily gets into our system, and that's how it spreads into our system. And how to prevent it? Proper hand sanitizing methods are the basic prevention. But once it gets into our system, how to do it, how to prevent it, how to safeguard ourselves. And we need to know the mechanism of action of this virus, COVID-19, or the influenza virus, the respiratory. Basically, these viruses are more have more affinity towards the respiratory tract. The nose, the pharynx, the larynx, the trachea, the bronchus, and the the alveolus, or the lung tissue itself. It has more affinity towards these tissues, these cells, and there it goes and replicates in millions. It duplicates in millions in hours. And that's the importance of COVID-19. So once it has infected a person, within about 4 to 5 days time, and the maximum, if the viral load when they got infected was very heavy, within about second to third day, the infection starts spreading very fastly. Because say, if there is 100 virus duplicating into 1 lakh, it will take about some time. By the time the body own immunity, the WBCs or the immune system tackles the lower volume of virus easily. But when the person is exposed to a bigger volume of viral load, say for example somebody is sneezing within the 3 feet distance, there is a possibility we can inhale about lakhs and lakhs of virus in a single inhalation. And this makes the whole system, it goes into the lungs, just spread like that in a matter of seconds, and the viral load is so heavy that the body own immune mechanism will not be able to handle such a big offense from the virus. It goes there into the lungs, it settles there and starts duplicating into millions and millions. Say 100 virus duplicating into 1,000 or lakh, it will take about 3 days time. But when the 1 lakh virus gets into our system and it duplicates into millions and millions in 3 days, then the body will not be able to handle the viral load, and that's where the life loss happens. And most of the people who had lost the battle against COVID-19 had been exposed to such an increased or sudden increase in viral load in a matter of seconds. And this causes, if at all they are diabetic, or if they are if they are having any metabolic disorders, or if they are having already malignancy or on medications for malignancy, or for organ failure, or any treatment for organ failure, then they are the people who easily get affected, and the life is at stake for them. And particularly somebody who's already been having any respiratory problems are very much prone for higher mortality rate. Another category is the people, even a normal, very healthy people who are exposed to increased viral load, which I told you just a few minutes back. When you are exposed to increased viral load, then there is a very high possibility it can challenge your life. So what is it? How to tackle it? And this is what we need a lifeguard. Say, if at all, who is a lifeguard? Say, for example, we are going to a seashore, go for play sports in the seashore and the ocean, and we always see there are lifeguards standing there for any event to happen. If at all any event is happening, they just get into us, safeguard us to save our lives. Same way, lifeguard, Virun, we have the slogan, the lifeguard. How it's going to save life, how it is helping as a lifeguard. I'll just explain you. And the ingredients, whichever we have put into the Virun, are very unique, and we have made sure The Ayush have already recommended many ingredients which are mandatory in tackling the viral infection. And same way, the Ayurveda Council has already recommended few ingredients. And apart from that, National Institute of Siddha has also recommended, they have given some protocols so that it can help in challenging, or it can help in reducing the chance of people after getting infected with COVID-19 or any viral infection. They can come out of it with the help of such ingredients. So based on these recommendations, the Virun has the ingredients and all the recommended, the Ayush, whatever has been recommended, the basic ingredients are there incorporated in with Virun, and as well as the National Institute of Siddha, whatever they have been recommended, the ingredients are there, as well as whatever the medical knowledge we have acquired, we have tried to make sure the ingredients can help in handling the viral infection, restricting it, in spreading it also, so that the body own immune mechanism can tackle the infection and save the life also. And very crucial difference is that, the ingredients. Already here, the ingredients are very unique. The Virun has two components. It's a combo pack. It consisting of capsule, 60 capsules in a bottle, as well as 30 sachets of 30 ml each concentrate syrup in 30 sachets in the box. And we have a dosing pattern for 3 different categories. One, as a prophylactic dosing, is different. For a very mild infection, let it be an influenza virus or any respiratory tract infections, including COVID-19, say we can have it as a mild infection. There is a dosing pattern is different. And for persons who have full thick infection with any respiratory viral infection, they have the full dosing pattern is different, which I will explain you in another few minutes time. Before that, the ingredients. You are seeing the 2 categories. One is the capsule, the second is the sachet. In the capsules, we have a Tinospora cordifolia and Andrographis paniculata, Vetiver zizonodis. These are the important ingredients which has been recommended by various already various boards, so that we have made sure it helps in the duplication, restricting or controlling the duplication of virus in our system, thereby helping our own immune mechanism to tackle it by default. How is it happening? So what is it actually happening in public is that regarding COVID-19, the herd immunity is what the whole world is waiting for. The immunity which we need to acquire by ourselves. Regarding chickenpox, I told you, just started and switched over to the other topic. Regarding chickenpox, once we get a chickenpox infection in the childhood, we need to keep ourselves secured. We need to quarantine ourselves. That's what we have been educated for hundreds and hundreds of years. And this way, it has saved plenty of lives with who had got acquired with chickenpox viral infection. And same way, the quarantining or distancing from the public and distancing ourselves from the family members for about 14 days is very mandatory for COVID-19 also. It's something equivalent of chickenpox and the combination of influenza virus also. And the very important thing is that only thing, it does not show us in the face or in the skin with the bubbles, like as in the chickenpox infection. Everything is happening inside our lungs, inside our respiratory tract, inside our blood vessels. It causes the inflammatory reactions inside the blood vessels. In the while the column of blood is flowing, it makes it into thicken, or it creates a clot inside the blood vessel that causes the ultimate critical situation for the human life. And this is where the Virun comes as a safeguard or a life guard. The ingredients, I'll just continue. Zingiber officinale, Piper nigrum, Cyprus rotundus, and Fumaria parviflora, and Trichosanthus dioica, as well as these are the ingredients which are very unique, and which has been well documented in the ancient literatures against any viral infections. And apart from that, not only we have not focused only on viral infection, tackling the viral infection, but also the other aspects of the infection, the body can how it can handle it itself to support this body system to handle not only the infection but also the other symptoms also relevant with the viral infection. And with the sachet, we have Coriandrum sativum, Syzygium aromaticum, Zingiber officinale, Piper nigrum, Piper longum, Curcuma longa, Solanum surretens. These are the these and other about there are about 23 ingredients incorporated with the sachet in a right composition to make sure I told you from starting from the nasal cavity till the lungs, as well as in the inflammatory mediation happening in the blood vessels, everything are easily tackled with these ingredients in a right manner if we take it in the right dose. Thereby acts as a life god for each and every human being across the globe. And I say here I want to mention very openly, it is not the treatment, it is not the cure for COVID-19 or for any viral infection, but it helps in safeguarding our life. It acts as a life god just by making us making our immune system, making our body to handle the viral load, viral infection once we have acquired it. So it's a timely intervention is required. I repeat, timely intervention is required. If you are healthcare professional who are prone or who are very much having a higher chance or at higher risk of getting infected suddenly, then there is a Virun is there as a lifeguard always for you. And if somebody is incidentally got acquired with the viral infection, let it be a influenza virus or H1N1 or any rhinitis, viral infections along with COVID-19 also, once you are infected in a very minimal manner, with the symptoms are very minimal initially, be very sharp, start the Virun immediately so that it can help you in handling the initial phase itself. Don't leave it till the symptoms are blown up or in the very bigger manner. Start it immediately. So keep the Virun in hand for each and every family across the globe is important. It is like a life god. It is, though it's not a complete treatment, it acts as a life god, saves life, and as well as even in persons who have got severe symptoms also, it helps in a different way to save the life also. I told you regarding the inflammatory mediators in a increased viral load happening and sudden sneezing without any protection, somebody has inhaled, and sudden cytokine storm and immune reaction happens in the blood vessels, and this causes clotting mechanism that ultimately causes lungs to not to respond for the demand in the viral situation, viral infection situation, and there the Virun helps in tackling the inflammatory mediation by the viruses, and thereby helping the body to handle very cool and very calmly the viral load, and make sure it also has the ingredients that can that doesn't kill the virus, but that helps in preventing or controlling duplication of this virus. Say, for example, when there are about 1,000 virus which has got entered into your system, when you have already started with Virun, it does not kill the virus directly, but it helps in preventing the virus from duplicating into thousands and millions and lakhs, crores. So this is a very big thing. So when it helps in preventing the duplication, the body own mechanism will take care, will generate appropriate immune, antibodies, immunoglobulins to control the infection, control the virus, and generates a immune mechanism, generates a immunity by itself, and thereby saving lives, saving millions and millions of life. So this is the biggest difference between treatment and the as a life god. And vaccination is far different. Vaccination, it will take at least the next June or say maybe another 9 months to 1 year till the vaccine has come. Even in the vaccine, there are some shortcomings that say the COVID-19, it is generating the new strains every now and then. It is generating a new strain. It is mutating itself. Say the Wuhan strain is far different from the strain which is spreading in Italy. The Italian strain is far different from the strain that is spreading in the Spain. And that is Spain strain of COVID-19 is far different from the strain which is spreading in New York or in the American continent. So in India, it's different. So the strains are different. Say something like cow, in the South Indian cow is different from the Jersey cows, and the Jersey cow is different from the Sindhu cows. Say something like that. It is having a different strains, and for each and every strain, we might need to go for a vaccination. So there is a small hinge there. So maybe it will take a few more years for a whole population around the world to get vaccinated. Till that time, Virun will be the life god to save the lives across the globe. And this is what makes a big difference. We are not claiming as a treatment, but we are here to save the lives as a life god only. Next slide. It's a health benefits. It's a plenty of benefits apart from helping us in the controlling the viral infection. And you can in the brochures, we already time is running out, and we will be giving it in the brochure. Simply for each and every component of the respiratory tract infection and in the inflammatory mediation happening because of viral infection, I will just shortly, crisply tell you the health benefits. Say, starting with the rhinitis, when the infection like influenza virus or COVID-19, more people will be having rhinitis, the running nose. The ingredients in Virun has the capability to control this running nose or help in preventing the spreading of infection from the person, from the himself, first thing. Second, most viral infection when getting deposited into the nasal cavity or in the oral cavity causes mucosal erosion because of the, say it breaks the barrier. Mucosa is the barrier, first line of defense in our body, and it breaks the barrier, the virus breaks the barrier and allows the secondary bacterial infection go into our system. Here the Virun helps in repairing this mucosal membrane. Once it's broken, if we are already taking Virun, and this helps in developing the mucosal membrane, regenerate the mucosal membrane very fastly so that no secondary bacterial infection sets in, and helps in tiding over the crisis immediately. And third important thing is that the ciliary mechanism, whatever the secretion, whatever the dead cells are there in the generated in the respiratory tract or in the digestive tract, the Virun helps in regenerating the ciliary mechanism and propelling it outside the wastages, the phlegm. It helps in thinning out the phlegm and bringing out very comfortably, so that there is no stagnation of the mucus secretion inside the lungs. And this, when there is a stagnation in the respiratory tract, this causes accumulation of sputum or the phlegm into the alveoli, and it causes restriction of oxygen carbon dioxide transfer, and ultimately leads to the oxygen saturation level reduction. Here each and every mechanism is one by one viciously connected, and here this breaks the connectivity. Virun helps in breaking the connectivity of these things and safeguards the life. And Virun has ingredients that is capable of thinning out this phlegm formation in the system, and easily it's thrown out in the throat. The secretion will be coming out easily, very comfortably. And other important thing is that the Virun, I told you about the immune mediation. Once a virus is there, body responds immediately, very fastly, by releasing the immune mediators. See, the cytokinins and the histamines, and that causes sudden constriction of these alveoli and sudden inflammation in the small blood vessels inside the lungs, as well as in the blood vessels across the whole human body. And recent studies have told it even causes myocarditis, which means inflammation in the muscle, cardiac muscle, heart muscles also. And these things, Virun helps in restricting the immune mediation and thereby there is no swelling or inflammation happens in the heart muscles, restricting or preventing the inflammatory chances in the lungs also. Thereby, the oxygen transfer against the carbon dioxide generated in the body is happening smoothly, and oxygen saturation does not lower us down, and indirectly thereby reducing the chance of mortality or casualty in the human beings. And this way, in multiple way, the ingredients in Virun helps us to tide over the viral infection load, as well as helping the body immune mechanism to defend adequately, generate immunity by itself, and as well thereby thereby acting as a perfect and ultimate the life god for the current scenario. And this is what is all about Virun. And next, dosage, how to use it. And very important, just this is for a prophylactic dose, simple dose I have given there. And I will just give you in a 3 different manner for three different categories. Initially, the current scenario is that the community spread has already occurred with COVID-19, and being the winter has set in, the influenza and flu viral infection will be also there continuously. It's a seasonal. And all the viral infections, the respiratory viral infections, has a kind of a same tendency. We can't differentiate it suddenly. Say once the viral, if you are feeling any of the symptoms I am going to tell you, that means the viral infection is setting in. So before that, we'll start with the prophylactic dose, which means if you are in a high risk category, you are a healthcare professional or a person who are moving a lot, and you need to face the public, and there is a chance that you get infected easily, then you are advised to start with Virun immediately. And that for at least about 3 months time to tide over the situation, or till this crisis is over, you need to continue with the prophylactic dose. What is the prophylactic dose? 1 capsule in the morning, about half an hour before food, and 1 capsule after 12 hours from the morning dose is for the capsules. And for the sachet, it need to be taken after food. It has to be reconstituted with normal drinking water, plain drinking water of about 250 ml. 1 sachet 30 ml concentrate has to be mixed with the water and drink it. It can be even 200 ml also. It will be a crispy one. It has a nice taste. We have tried to the ingredients itself. There is no much of any of say flavoring agents we have tried. Simple, the ingredients itself acts as additives. In the ingredients itself act as a preservative, and it's all natural. And it may be a kind of a small sharp feeling will be having after consuming the Virun sachet. Take another 2 or 3 sips of water, clear your throat, and this is very, very important. After about 15 to 20 minutes after your breakfast or lunch, you can have it. Immediately after that also no issue. After the food also no issue. And make sure you continue it for about minimum of 3 months to safeguard yourself. This is the prophylactic dose for the healthcare professionals, for all the who have the chance to get exposed to the viral infection when you are moving outside. For people who are in the family, who are inside the house, for the children, not required. And you can just continue with Oncoban. It's a basic level itself. And Virun is exclusively for people who are in the high risk. And having 1 box of Virun at your home is it's something like a life guard. It's a first aid. And make sure it's there in your family. For each and every family across the globe, 1 box of Virun is it's advised to have it, because say if at all you are getting infected, starting the symptoms are starting with the running nose or malaise or mild fever, you can't order at that time. By another 2 or 3 days time, the infection would have spread in a very fast manner. So keep it safe. And we are expecting the medical research board is expecting the COVID-19 and the influenza to peak in India. I am talking about the Indian scenario, to peak in India by around October or November month, wherein there is a chance lakhs and lakhs of people will be infected with COVID-19, because we are expecting vaccine, but still to reach the 130 crore people with vaccine immediately, it's not possible. It's going to take some time. Till that time, till everyone is vaccinated, we need to, till that time, we need to have the lifeguard with us, and the lifeguard is the Virun. And I have already explained about the other components of the lifeguard. The proper health education is itself, it's a lifeguard to make sure to save our lives. And other important thing I have already shared with you 2 days back during the presentation. And what to do for the people who are just got the infection. So a person who had having the following symptoms: a running nose, or a mild body pain consistently, or a fever, low-grade fever without chills and rigors, and you have a severe muscle pain, or some initial breathing difficulties, or it may be a palpitation you have, or it can be a digestive problem. It can be a kind of a vomiting, or a kind of a retching, kind of a nausea, or it can be a loose stools. Even the digestive tract symptoms are there in recent days. We have documented evidence that it also, the COVID-19 has some effect on the digestive tract also. So these kind of, any of the symptoms if you have, even on the first day, start with Virun. What is the dosing? The dosing is 2 sachet per day and 4 capsules per day. 2 sachet in the sense, morning after your breakfast, you can reconstitute 1 syrup sachet after your breakfast, and 12 hours after that, or after the dinner, take another sachet. 2 sachet per day for 15 days. And capsule, it need to be taken, if you are going to take 2 capsules in the morning, make it after food, not before food. 2 capsules after food, in the breakfast, after the breakfast, and 2 capsules after your dinner. This is for people who are just started with infection, and continue it for 15 days, 1 full course. And after that 15 days, you need to continue for 1 month with a prophylactic dose of only 2 capsules per day and 1 sachet per day. That's adequate to make sure it safeguards your life. And this is for the starting phase. If at all you have missed the starting phase, and you have had a very severe throat pain, very severe fever, and it's already 2 days done, and you are just suddenly knowing about the Virun, then start with full dose. What is the full dose? Full dose is that against any viral infection, full dose is at 3 sachet per day and 6 capsules per day. Once your fever is full blown, fever is severe, and you have a respiratory difficulty, or even you have a severe body pain, or you have loose stools, or say vomiting, then you need to consume morning 1 sachet, afternoon 1 sachet, after dinner 1 sachet, after food. After food, reconstitute with about 200 to 250 ml of plain drinking water, and the capsules, morning 2 capsules, afternoon 2 capsules, and after dinner 2 capsules. You need to take some food. You should not take it in empty stomach. And very, very important recommendation is that something very unique and very peculiar recommendation is that if you are taking Virun, even if it is going to be prophylactic dose, or for the basic dose, or for the severe infection dose, you need to be cautious if at all you are a diabetic. If you are a diabetic, there might be a chance that blood sugar levels will come down drastically with while you are taking Virun. Virun, the ingredients of the Virun has the property to reduce the blood sugar levels, so you need to reduce the dose to half at least. That makes sure the blood sugar level doesn't go to subnormal levels. So always monitor your blood sugar levels if you are a diabetic, and if you are on diabetic medications, either it can be insulin or oral anti-hypoglycemic medicines, tablets, and make sure you monitor your blood sugar levels regularly, and accordingly you reduce the anti-diabetic medicine dosages based on reduction of the blood sugar levels, because of while you are taking Virun. And this is the very, very important recommendation. And very important, another recommendation is that you need to continue with other lifeguard measure, is that the proper exercise. 40 minutes of brisk walk, and including a respiratory, simple respiratory exercises, the lung exercises, it's mandatory, and 15 minutes of sunlight exposure is another lifeguard, along with Virun, along with your regular food timings. It saves your life. It all combines together and saves, helps as a lifeguard for each and every human across the globe. And this is what all about Virun, and all the best. And we all Vivitose family members, take the message to whole world, and it is the right time for you to act to save lives and improve the quality of life for persons who are already infected, and it is in your hand now. We have given it, we have done an extensive study, we have done extensive work, and we have forwarded to you, and it's already there. Our CEO will give you the other how to do it, when to do it, everything, and it's already in your hand. All the best. Jai Vivitos, Jai Hind.